Okay, now I want to talk about the importance of actually having a square putter, square or flat on the ground. Okay, so if you putt like this with the toe up, you're going to have a tendency to pull. Okay, now for me that's going to the right because I'm left-handed. For you guys, it'd be going to the left. If you have the toe down, odds are you're going to push it. So that is why the goal is to get the putter as flat as you can and keep it flat throughout the entire swing. We don't want to go up or down. We want to keep it square throughout the entire swing. Does that make sense? Yep. Okay. Okay, now when you're around the greens like this, what do you guys use like club wise? What do you have? 656, 660, 56. What do you got? 60? Okay, so you can use a 60 or a 56, that's fine. I recommend always staying with what you're comfortable with. Okay, so if you have a 60, a 56, a 52, and you're trying to decide what to use, that's kind of information overload. So it's better to get one club and learn how to use it. Now that being said, if I want to hit a high shot, what do you think I'm going to have to do? Open it, just like that. High shot. Ah! Now if it's a low shot, what do you think I'm going to have to do? Forward press and close it. Now I'm doing that using the same club. Alright, so I could change it up. I could use a 60, and that'll naturally open it up more. Or I could use a 50 degree, and that'll naturally close it. But then I'm just kind of messing around with a lot of variables. It's better to get one club and master it. Does that make sense? Alright. So I already showed you guys what will happen if you use the leading edge. It'll just dig right into the sand, correct? Alright. So to get more power, let's say I went to the first flag here. Now I want to go to that far flag. A big misconception is you have to swing harder. That's not the case. It's all about going, you're going to have the same RPM, so to speak, but we're just going to go further. So if I'm going here, I'm only going to go right here, there. If I'm going to the far one, I'm not going to swing harder. I'm just going to take a longer backswing going into the ball at the same speed as I would if I'm going there. But because I took the club back further, I'm creating more RPM. Does that make sense? Now the goal here is to get it further out there. I just got to take the club back and keep it further. You guys understand that? So you don't want to swing harder. All that's going to do is cause you to just go further into the bunker. You just want to take a longer swing. Okay? So have you guys ever heard of a block? When you hit a block shot?
Yes.
Okay, so you want to explain what that is? You understand what it means?
Something when you're late, I know when I do it. I know when I do it.
So for you guys, I'm left-handed, but for you guys that are right-handed, the block, everything's going to go to the right.
Yeah.
Okay? Now the way that happens is a lot of times, like right now I'm in my posture, I'm bent over. Now when people come out of their posture and do that, that's what causes the block. A lot of it can be caused by standing too close to the ball. So I have no room right here. I have to do this. So that's why we want to give ourselves some distance. I want you to feel like you're kind of reaching for the ball. Don't exaggerate it, but feel like you have some distance between your belt buckle and the butt end of your club. That way you're forced to stay down in the shot. I'd rather see you guys, well for me, it's going to be a pull. For you guys, it's going to be going that way. So,
The Lord take it, the Lord give it, right?